Hey friends, today we're going to try again to get in the learning pit and try to rename ourselves on Zoom. So let's try it. Today I am Zooming with my friend the Blue Dragon. Blue Dragon, we're so glad you're here with us today. I am going to try renaming myself by taking my cursor and hovering it over my own picture. Then I go up here where it says mute and I see these three dots and I click on those. You may not see all the different options that I see, but you will probably see rename as one option. So look for it. It's right here. Rename, R-E-N-A-M-E. Then you click on yourself and up will pop a screen, which I'll bring over here so you can see. And then I can rename myself. Let's see, I'll just rename myself Ms. Milam and click OK. And then you can see that down here at the bottom, it has actually changed my name to Ms. Milam, right? That's one way that I can change my name. Another way that I can change my name is I can go down to the participants and I can click on participants and it should pop up a beautiful window, and I will try to resize this a bit so you can see it because it did make it a little bit larger than I was hoping. So now you'll be able to see the participants and you can see right next to me, which is right here, me the host, I can see mute and I can see more. I can click on that more, and one of the options I have is to rename. So I'm sorry that it's kind of poking off the screen a little bit, but I'll show that again. So you go over, hover over yourself, your own name, and go over to more, click on it, and choose rename, and then you can rename yourself. So I could maybe just rename myself back to Evie Milam, and I could put my pronouns in if I wanted to. They, them, theirs, and she, her, hers. Most people call me she, her, hers, but I absolutely love when people use they, them, theirs for me. And so that is why I'm going to put both. And then I'm going to go ahead and click OK. And now I have done it. So now it's your turn to try. And I hope we're more successful than last time. If it still isn't successful, well, at least we're trying, right? We're in the learning pit and we're trying to figure it out. Great job, everybody.